Hi guys, welcome to How To Library. Today I'm going to show you how to check the fan groups you've joined on Bigo Live. So let's get started. Right now I'm on Bigo Live's homepage, and as you can see at the bottom of the screen there are 5 icons. One means home, that's where we are right now. Explore, to explore the community, and the one in the middle with the camera, that means for you to go live yourself. The one next to it, community, that's for the community of Bigo Live, and the one at the bottom right corner, me, that's your profile. So we're gonna click on that, and as you can see, we have a lot of options here. We have messages, wallet, item bag, my post, task center, activities, level, and fan groups. So right under your level, there's fan groups, so we're gonna click on that. As you can see, I have not joined any fan groups, but if you have, you'll have them right here and you can check on them. But right under fan group I joined, there's new and hot. So when you go on hot, it would show you the hot fan groups you joined, and that means the fan groups that are most active. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.